Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Yoshi's PC and Electronic Services. Today we're going to be looking at a PS4 that seems to be overheating. I thought I'd record it so that I can record what exactly is going on and then go from there. So we're going to try to find out what's going on. It looks really dirty and everything else, but we will see. Once we turn it on here, it'll take a few minutes for me to get the other line set up. This is the first initial startup, so I'm gonna go and press the PS button here, the PlayStation button, and see what we get. Okay, now that we got that figured out, just feeling the top of it right now, and let's just play a game and see if we can't get it to reenact what the customer says what was happening, and we'll go from there. Let's give it some rendering some nice action of this game and see what we can get it to do here. Might take a while, so just hang on. Okay, now I hear it ramping up here. There's quite a bit coming out of the back. Yeah, she's wrapping up quite good right now. If not 100%. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Here, I'll take the denoise off and see if you can't hear that. It is quite warm and pushing out a lot of air out of the back, a lot of hot air. We'll take that off again because it's kind of annoying. Well, I think that's as much as I can test on this anyways without playing for hours and hours. Let's open up and see if we can see if there's a clog or something. It just comes out like that. Should just pull right out. Ugh. Yeah, a little dirty. Then we have 3 screws. This one here. This is a security screw. It has a little nub in the middle. Then we have 2 behind these little decals here. Warranty stickers. that. These little flip up. Should just pull up. That. This one, just like that, and this one should just pull right out. Just like that. Oh, yeah, gross. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is a lot of fuzz. What is that from? Just caked on this wire here. Oh wow. On absolutely everything. Well, we're gonna vacuum this out as much as we can here, and then I'll put the plastic pieces aside so that I can clean them on in the sink. So now that's done. We'll put this aside because it didn't get cleaned very good. Looks like there was some wet or damp and just stuck on the sides. Almost looks like drywall dust. You know, that stuff is hard to get out of everything, so if they're renovating, that'd be one thing. Pretty white, so seen that in like vacuums and stuff from being in construction. Not very nice. So set that aside, and then we'll start taking this top plate out. Just examining these connectors here. Take a pen. And we'll go black back. That's that one. This one's black left side. Right? White left side. Just so there's only 3, but I'm going to be taking more apart, so it's easier. And I think that's it for this. Double check. Should just come right off. Let's look under here. Yeah, she's quite dusty. Set that aside. Yeah, it's just caked in there. Lots. A little bit of dust here. Here's my plastic pry bar here. Start taking this out. Yeah, you can see like this is pretty gross in here. I don't know if you can see in there, but if I move it to the side, then it gets shiny. Pretty caked. So we'll have to take this all out here. This one flips up and pulls out. This guy. So we'll take these screws out. Clean inside there. Very nice. Little pads. So these guys, we will do it a couple turns at a time and go around and around here. So I'll actually put this as back, front, left, right. Put that on here too. Just put a notch there, just in case something gets bumped. Then we know that that stuff is going to be going in the right space, the right places. So we'll flip this over. You can see there's a lot of dirt in all the little places around there. Set that aside. Now that we got that out, we'll start pulling up on this top cover here. Just like that, and then it should slide backwards, just like that. Pretty dusty there. There's the power supply. We'll take that apart. Looks pretty dusty in there too. And this should just come right off, I think. Let's see. Flip this back around. And what do we have? Oh, wow. Okay. Looks almost like something wet here. And this thing is plugged. You can see that. You can't see in the end. That's pretty gross. We'll be cleaning that, and I'll show you after. We'll clean off that thermal paste too. Put some new stuff in. Okay. Now the fan and the DVD drive. Okay, we'll take these two screws out. That should bring us to the fan here. That's a lot of dust. Very dusty. That is pretty gross. We'll set that somewhere else. We'll set that here. Looks not bad for cleanliness, but take this off anyways, and then I can clean all the parts. Now we'll go over final touches here. This piece. Use some alcohol here. Pretty ground in there, almost pitted. Use some of this, see if we can't get in there a little bit better.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Okay, there's that. Plug in the power, then the HDMI, wherever that is. Okay. Here. Put the controller. Plug the controller in. And we will switch to that view, and we'll press main power, and we'll turn this on. There we go. Okay, it must have noticed that I took it apart or something. It's just restarting right now. We'll play Tekken again and see what it sounds like. Well, it sounds like it's hardly even working right now. Can't even tell that it's on. I haven't even heard the fan yet. Haven't even heard it come on yet. Top is barely warm. I hear the fan picking up a little bit. Fan's just starting to come on now. Top's just a little warm. Oh yeah, it's just pushing the heat out. Yeah, it's cooling this top off a lot. Yeah, the top is cooling down quite a bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, before it wasn't cooling down at all. Yeah. The fan's on and it was hot. Now it's like warm air coming out. So it's definitely cooling it off. I think that's where we are. Anyways, there you have it. We cleaned this PS4, disassembled, put it back together again. There was this. This was actually on the fan. It's about 1.5 mil thick of solid fuzz something. The other side, the actual cooler went this far. This side was caked and it was solid on there. And we cleaned that all off. kept this for the customer so that they could see it, and that's it. They should be happy with the temps now, and we should be good to go to give it back to the customer. So there you go. Please like and subscribe if you like this, and please comment below if you like to see something different. Appreciate you watching. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.